Hi, I'm Chris from Landscape Plus, and today I'm going to be talking you through how to install and program the dosing systems from Aquascapes. The SL is mainly for smaller ponds and the XT is for bigger bodies of water. So the SL doser, everything here is what comes within the box. You get the transformer, this goes inside the liquid to get right to the bottom of the bottle, and then this is the discharge hose. You can cut this to size to whatever length you need. I would always recommend to put the dosers near your skimmer boxes or in a high flow of water, just so all of the bacterial treatments can be passed evenly and spread around the pond. So as you can see here, we've got the diaphragm which pumps all of the liquid through. So on this, the transformer is just connected on a plug and play, push in and twist. Your liquid on the back of the bottles, it gives you a setup guide, so settings all the way to 1 to 9, literage of your pond, and that's how many days it will last. All you then do is remove the lid of the bottle. This pokes straight down into this. As you set your bottle inside, in the top, you'll just connect that up to the silicone tubing. So once that is in, you're all set. And all you do on here is click the cog button to the setting that I said about earlier. And then we turn to the back of the product, and this blue ring, that's where you connect your discharge hose up to. Run it into your skimmer or high flow area, and then all you then do is bury this discreetly to about an inch or so below, just because you don't want this to fill up with water, just an inch or so below, hide it out the way, and that is how you install and program the SL doser. So moving on to the XT doser, as you can see, similar sort of products that come within the box. Transformer which just connects up on a push and twist, same as the last one on there. A little bit more technical with the product that goes into the bottle of liquid. This has got a bit more of an indicator on, so I'll talk a bit more about it when we get onto that, but this connects up to the app, and when it gets low, it will tell you when to reorder the product. And all this does is connect up into the red. That clicks in, into your dosing bottle, goes on down, fills up. And the real good thing with this product, as we probably mentioned before, is that you can add a second diaphragm to have two different treatments working alongside each other. So that's where this smaller bottle of liquid comes, or you can just go for a 1 gallon liquid and have it on just the one. Similar sort of thing, your hose into the ring clip in the back, and again, into your high flow area or into your skimmer. As the name suggests, this is a smart control product, so you can connect this up to your phone and give you updates on when liquid is getting low to change it over. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna kind of show you step by step on how we connect up the device. So as soon as you've downloaded the Aquascape Smart Control app, you'll get a screen to add a new device. I'll start this and click through some of the buttons. As you can see on here, you'll have a flashing blue light to tell you that the Wi-Fi is kind of trying to connect to your phone. Comes up straight away like a Wi-Fi does, pops up a little prompt to say that the device is trying to connect. Click a few of the buttons to continue through. Just takes a little while just to connect up. Try and keep it somewhere near the device. All connected, finishing on that. And on the screen, it will kind of tell you how big your pond is. It's going to be in gallons, so you might just need to do a little bit of a Google just to kind of work out how much the American gallons are to UK gallons. I think it's 3.78, but like I say, if it's a high volume, it might just be worth having a little Google to work out. You can then choose your treatment for all of the XT dosers. So you can choose any of the treatment that you're going to put in. It's all in on this app. So I'm just going to choose the 1 gallon maintain, because that's the most popular, and that's if I'm just using one treatment because I've only got the one diaphragm, I'm going to use a gallon tub. I can then perform a prime. You'll hear this noise. It will prime the liquid. You can stop the prime and it's ready to go. This then gives you status updates on how much liquid's left. Like I've said before, but you can add double dosage if you want to. If the summer is really warm, you can add extra dosing just to keep the water keeping crystal clear. So that is how we install both of the Aquascape dosers. If you have any questions about the products, we're more than happy to help.